Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change TikTok profile picture. Changing your TikTok profile picture is a simple way to personalize your account and make it more recognizable to your followers. To start, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Navigate to the edit settings and then click on Change Photo. You can just take a photo or upload a photo, and you can also view the current profile picture. If you want to upload a photo, just click on Upload Photo. Select any photo to your liking. Let's say I want to add this. Adjust it if necessary, and then confirm by tapping Save. Your profile picture will be updated immediately and visible to all TikTok users. Keep in mind that using a clear and high-quality image can make your profile look more professional and engaging. And that's it. We just learned how to change your TikTok profile picture by selecting a new image from your camera or gallery and updating it in your profile settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.